Hi folks, Anthony.Salazar here from beautiful Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at the Gray Wolf 19RL. It's a pre-owned unit. It's a 2017, but it's in great shape. Perfect unit for a nice starting family. It's really light. It's only 4,300 pounds, so a smaller SUV could almost tow this, and it's perfect for that young family that's just getting started and ready to get into the RV world. So let's go on and take a look inside. Okay guys, here's the inside. It's a beautiful little trailer. Like I said, it's perfect for that starter family. You've got a decent amount of counter space here, a nice 3-burner cooktop, stainless steel appliances, you got your hood vent, a lot of storage, a lot of lights in here too, guys. And you got a nice little skylight that lightens up in here pretty good too during the daytime. Storage underneath, big drawers. As you come over here to the dining area, of course you got more storage. So for a little trailer, this thing's got a lot of storage. So when you got your 1 or 2 kids, you can actually fit in here, young kids, along with a mom and dad. What's nice about this one too, nice big windows back here. So when you pull up to the campsite, you got windows so you can see out and see the river or see wherever you're camping. You got a good view. Over here we got a nice pantry area. Plenty big for this little trailer. Nice freezer, refrigerator. Now over here we got the bathroom. Good sized bathroom, nice countertop, nice medicine cabinet, a skylight in there, and a nice fan to ventilate it nice and well. And then over here you got your queen bed, nice little storage in here, storage up above. And like I said guys, this is perfect for that first time family, first camper, first RV. It's a really nice unit. Let's go outside and check it out a little more. Another cool thing on the Gray Wolf Limited, it's got a spot out here. You can actually put a TV out here. Your awning's going to be out over it. All your plugins are right there, outside speakers. Kind of cool. And as you walk around back here, you've got all the places, storage here in the back. This folds down for your ice chests, some fishing gear, whatever, tackle boxes, stuff like that. You can really load it up, firewood maybe. Once again, like I said, Forest River makes this product. It's a really nice trailer. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, Salazar, 951-443-8323. Thanks guys.